Welcome to AFT8 Quick Installation Guide. Step number 1. Download and run the ATS Desktop Apps Quick Installer. Step number 2. Click Next, agree to the terms, and click Next again. Step number 3. Click Install. The installer will save setup files to your PC's Downloads folder and complete the installation phase. This may take a while. Step number 4. Desktop apps and support resources will be opened by the installer. Click Finish on the installer. Step number 5. Locate the AFT desktop app and click Sign In. Use your ATS Universal account credentials. AFT desktop will sync. Step number 6. Click Restart on the AWT desktop app. The AFT8 installation is now complete.